We picked the S15 up not so long ago, paid 21,000 for it. People said we got ripped off. I disagree, I thought it was a bargain,
Definitely
but you
not a
think we were
bargain.
ripped off.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're not going to go off on one on this. We picked up some wheels that not many people know about, some rotors. They were 400 second hand.
With tyres?
With tyres,
That's
not
all right,
too bad.
innit?
It cost at least £100 in fuel to get back because it went through 1.5 tanks of fuel. Does about 6 miles to the gallon. What else have we spent on it? We bought some oil, £50 worth of oil.
That we've not used, that didn't need.
So this car, up to now, has cost us £21,550.
So you're saying it's not cost all that much up to now,
No.
other than the 21.5 grand,
Yeah,
which is a lot of money.
Because we've not had anything done to it yet.
No, but it's at crest,
Yeah.
and the bill is about to get this big.
The bill out of all the cars, this might be the same as the RS4, but up to now, yeah, it's going to be expensive.
It's going to be way more than the RS4, this.
Well, maybe, yeah. So we've only paid for the car. We've spent no money on it up to now, apart from some oil, which we didn't need, and wheels, which we've not used yet, and we don't even know if they fit. We just took the guy's word for it.
We
So,
did as well,
Aaron,
yeah.
you better fit, mate, because we're coming back to Peterborough.
We're
I'm gonna
not.
throw them through your window.
I can't be arsed going all the way back there.
No.
Particularly down them
Doesn't matter.
lanes, can you imagine?
No. Back to the original thing, it's cost £21,550. Let's go and see what the others have cost.
Do we need to go there to see?
Yeah.
All right, okay, come on then.
This is your car.
Yeah.
How much? How
It
much did it
was
cost?
44,
Oh, you don't have to be exact. 45 grand, yeah?
44,500 it was.
All right, so 44 and a half.
Yeah.
And I'm going through the videos now. So we've got the first one we did on it. So we washed it. I'm not even going to put that in.
No.
Because it was like 10 quid.
Yeah.
Then we did,
First drive.
no,
Dragged.
drag it in.
Free.
That cost nothing.
Yeah.
The machine polish, how much did?
About 120 quid, I think.
Okay. I drove your car.
Yeah. Slagged it
Um,
off, thanks.
Yeah. We modified, well, you modified it with the carbon fibre bits.
That was free.
Ultimate Customs did that
Yeah,
for
the spoiler's
free.
gone, you'll probably have noticed.
Yeah, we had to, well, you had to take it.
Oh, we did the lights, didn't we? That was free as well. The front lights come with the carbon bits. Yeah.
So, correct me if I'm wrong, but I can't see what we've
It's
you
only
spent
cost
any money.
44.5 grand.
So that is it, plus the
Bargain.
100 quid for the
Machine polish, yeah. The other bits have all been free so far. Does
So
anybody
that's-
want to give us a set of free OZ Racing wheels, by the way, and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres for free? That'd be great.
Is he having a laugh in?
Well,
Because we've got all this production crew here, I can't even tell you how many people behind the camera, and they're all laughing, saying no, yeah.
2.5 grand it's going to cost for some nice wheels and tyres for this, and I don't want to pay it, so if anybody's got any free ones, we'll have them, thanks.
Although, the car is in significantly worse condition than when you picked it up, because the wheels are knackered,
Oh, yeah.
they're all curbed up,
Yeah, the misses, they look
and you
like...
can't resell that tyre.
No, they
The
look
tyre's
like
got a massive chunk out of it.
50 pence pieces, these wheels now, don't they? We're getting it stage one for free.
Polished.
No. For tuning. Come on, Darius, keep up.
Right, so that's how much that one's cost us. On to the next
That
one.
was quick. We've literally come all the way here for that. Brilliant. Come on. Oh yeah, completely forgot. We've got a Ghost and 2 trackers, 450 quid. I forgot we spent that. Oh, and what, do you know what else we got for free? These monstrosities.
Right, we are in the RSQ3. We're at Mackey's. Show everybody how big the double Big Mac is. Was.
That big. Not that big.
So this car has cost us 60,350. The £350 was the red calipers. The videos we've done on it up to now is the collection video where we spent the money on buying it. Then we did a first drive in it. That cost us nothing apart from a little bit of fuel. Then we did a draggy, which didn't cost us anything apart from a bit of fuel. Then we had it on a dyno against your RS3. That cost £75 at Awesome GTI.
And it cost you the win, because I won 395.
Well, you did on that. Hold on a minute. No, I won that.
No, you didn't.
I won. I got 399.
No.
Anyway, I won it. Just because I did it in 5th gear, it doesn't mean anything. And that's all we've done on this car. So, yeah, whatever that adds up to, that's how much this one is.
A whole lot went into that, by the way, just to get that.
Yeah, because he's dicking about. Do you know what? He's eating that food. I'm like, are you going to actually contribute to this bit of video?
No.
Too busy eating his food. So anyway, on to the next one. You've got to take the lead on saying about this because I'm trying to actually forget how much this has cost. It started off cheap and now it's not cheap.
No, it's not cheap anymore.
So I've got the playlist up here.
Yeah.
We've done 21 videos.
21
supposedly.
videos on this car alone.
So I'll run through them. You can tot it up. Price
Okay.
will go up there somewhere. So we bought it.
£9,750.
The engine light come on and we had to check it out.
That
was
was
free. We did a draggy.
Free.
Mystery device when we fixed the thing. So you bought that switch for it.
Oh, the clutch switch, that was about 12
20.
quid. No, £19, wasn't it?
Right,
Yes,
okay.
20 quid. Yeah, and I fixed it, obviously.
So we took it to Awesome GTI, first dyno run.
75 quid.
Then we got the wheels done.
£65 a wheel, that, wasn't it?
No, 85 a wheel.
Was it?
Yep.
Fuck me, we got add off there,
That's
didn't
at
we?
170, 340 for that. Also got the wheel cap covers.
Oh yeah, they were
in
cheap.
a different video, but while we're on about
Weren't
the
they like
wheels.
a tenner?
Tenner. Still add it up.
Yeah.
The headliner that you so gracefully did.
Yeah, smashed that, didn't I?
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
How much for that?
On this very drive, 130 quid that was for the headlining lining and all the other black stuff in there.
Okay. So then we washed it, you know, did a bit of a jokey wash on the car. That didn't cost anything really, I don't even think Dan charged us for it. Then we did the steering wheel free.
That was a shit present off my dad.
Then well, this is a big one, we got it carbon cleaned.
The carbon clean and new injectors was £1,400.
Yeah. Then we took it back to Awesome GTI and did another dyno and serviced it. So the servicing bits cost about £100.
Roughly, yeah.
And they charged us about £100.
Yeah, so it was about 200 quid for the service, yeah.
So £200 on that. Then we did one last dyno run, 75 quid. Then we took it to Pro Vinyl to get de-chromed because the job we did on it was terrible.
What did he charge us for that?
Did it for free, did he?
No, it was the lights. He tinted the lights for free.
All right.
The de-chrome, I think, was 200 quid, if I remember rightly.
Okay. We started doing some bits in BD Performance. Now this could end up being a massive bill, but we haven't had the bill yet.
Still not had the bill, no.
So we can't even sort of like, we could guess.
The coilovers were 850 quid off eBay.
Yep.
What else did I buy for it? Oh, the gear linkage thing was 160 quid. Top mounts were £100, I think. Bump stops were only cheap. They were about 40 or 50 quid.
40 or 50? I thought they were like £4 each.
I can't remember.
Well, they weren't much.
No, they weren't a lot.
But the big bits that we haven't been billed for yet is
the clutch
was supposedly the clutch is 900 quid. We had the downpipes.
They're 600 quid, aren't they?
Yeah. But we haven't had the bill, so that's a guess.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, we haven't got the bill for labour.
Yeah, we haven't got any bill. So then we took them to Sean's to get first class motors to get the wing mirrors, door mirrors thingy.
What about the door mirrors dipped?
Oh yeah.
We had to take that video off. Long story.
Yeah. So we paid £75 for that, and the guy smashed the mirror.
The glass, that was 8 quid.
And that was another 8 quid on top.
Yeah, Chinese special.
So then we took them to Sean's to get the door mirrors fixed in the silver. That was free. Very nice of him. Cheers, Sean. That's it.
That's
That's the lot.
Thank fuck for that. Sorry if I'm divering. I am freezing. It's so cold. And one more thing I completely forgot. The number plate, yeah?
What about the badges?
Oh, and the badges. I think the badges were about 20, 30 quid. They're not legit, obviously. The plate was £399.
Right, add that to the bill.
Ching ching. 16 videos on this. So we bought the cheapest Focus RS.
19,250.
First drive in our cheapest. That was obviously free.
Yeah.
Tyres.
Tyres were just over £300 for the front, so I think they were 315.
Draggy, free.
Something.
Bonnet and door.
We got a discount on this, but if memory serves me correct. See, it's funny this because I remember how much that cost of yours. Can't remember how much this one cost,
No.
which is technically mine.
Was it
400 quid?
I think 400 quid.
Yeah,
I was going to say 380, 400
yeah,
quid.
400.
Then we put it on the dyno to see how much horsepower it got.
Yeah, so the first dyno we ran, we had to pay the £40 for it.
When we cleaned it, we obviously did an amazing job of cleaning it.
Yeah, free.
Smash that. Dream Science box.
£475 for the Dream Science.
We got 50 quid off it.
£425 for the Dream Science.
There you go. And then the plate.
So the plate, you bought that though.
Yeah.
I can't remember how much.
£399 off the
Right,
DVLA.
So £400.
And then we put it back on the rolling road, back on the dyno after we put the Stage 2 Plus map on it.
Gabs at the Vehicle Tuner, he sponsored that video, so it didn't cost us anything.
That was free. Then we get into the big bills. So this is when it went to BD Performance, and what did it have?
So it had new clutch, hybrid clutch, RTS, it had a new flywheel, it had a Mongoose downpipe. So the Mongoose downpipe was 200, the clutch was 500, and the flywheel was 500, but we haven't actually had the bill yet.
Focus RS Drive, so the driving video after we put the bits on, that was free. And then we got the wheels powder coated.
Which was free.
Which was free.
Kindly by MPC.
Yeah.
Manchester powder coating. That doesn't sound like a lot compared to the RS4.
Yeah, but that was obviously half the money this was to begin with.
That's it. And the main thing with this car is now what we got for free in that car has made his way into this one. Cookie's back. So this is his rightful place.
Yeah.
Look at the colour match.
Perfect.
The colour match is better than that GTR matches the white.
I need to get like a little Burberry polo shirt for him or something.
Yeah, definitely need to get something. I think that's it. I don't think we've spent any other money on that car. Correct us if we are wrong though, because obviously we've done that many videos now, you do forget.
So you did loads of videos on the GTR before.
Yep.
There's about 10, 11, 12 videos, something like that on the GTR.
Which cost absolutely nothing because it was when I first started doing the channel.
Was it the first lockdown?
Yeah, I think it was in the first lockdown.
So you were just cocking about a bit?
Yeah, I was just production. I was working and stuff. So going back to when I bought the car last July, it was 81,000. Took it straight to AC Speedtech and he fitted a Y pipe, which costs about £400. So you could say the starting price was 81,500.
Bargain. The first video you did where you spent a bit of money was the track day when you scared me to death.
Yep. So track day was £250 with fuel, garage, extra passengers and stuff like that.
Yeah, and then you drag it against my against my S3. That was me demonstrator at Audi.
Yeah, it's free. I did buy the Draggy actually. That was, I think, £129. I wouldn't have bought that just for myself, just to
That's a
fuck about.
collective. Split it between all the cars. We've used it for everything, haven't
Yeah.
we? Then I drove it for the first time. That didn't cost anything. Then you took Jake's the leader out.
Yeah, that was, took my nephew out.
Is he on 100 subs yet?
We did a video previously saying when he gets to 100 subs, he's going to buy his breakfast. He was on 97,
I've just subscribed.
so he's on 98. So this video is going to go out in 2 days from now. Hopefully he'll be on 100. If he's not, keep whacking that subscribe on,
Fingers
Jake.
crossed. Then we put your GTR on the dyno at DC remapping.
Yeah, so we went down. We thought it was going to cost £120, but
Something like that.
when
yeah.
he realised we were epic YouTubers and we were going to get thousands of views, he said, we'll do it for free.
Thanks, mate.
Another guy called Dan.
Yeah, there's a shock. And then you did the tuning it.
AC Speed Tech. That was a couple of pounds short of 2,000.
What's that for? Injectors, intake pipe,
Remap.
£2,000.
Yeah.
And then we took your car out again after that.
A bit of fuel. Nothing.
Yeah, and you had a bit of a whinge about the pops and bangs, Matt.
Yeah.
Wheel clicking.
So the wheel clicking, we've been twice to AC. Nissan couldn't fix it, obviously. £75 each side. Took it the first time, Andy fixed that side. Straight away, that one started clicking. Took it back and he did that, so £150 that's cost.
And then we did the draggy again, trying to get it under 3 seconds.
So nothing.
And we thought I broke it, but it was just because the gearbox doesn't like being launched more than 4 times. Oh, that's it. Oh no, the paint. The paint. So we've got the two-tone effect front bumper and bonnet here.
Yeah, this is like an orangey white. That's a white. So that cost, we didn't actually say it in the video, that cost £450.
£480.
£480, sorry.
Yeah,
but that is mate's rates.
But he did say, because I asked him this morning, for the bumper, the wing and the bonnet job, he said it would usually be between 800 and 900 quid.
Yeah, which is about right. So that's where we're up to on that. So whatever that adds up to is how much that car was cost. Now we've got one last car. So we've done all the cars we've done there.
RS3, RS4, RSQ3, Focus RS, GTR, S15.
So
That's
6 cars. So this is how much we spent on all the cars. God knows how much it is, but it's going to be a fair bit. We're going to break down tomorrow how much each car has made us in ad revenue. Like on certain cars, like this one, I'd already bought this car, so the 81,000 you can't really factor into YouTube, can you?
No, because you know that you bought
already
this
bought
before
it.
YouTube, yeah.
The RS4, on the other hand, we bought that car purposely to do some videos.
Yeah, and because I
And
wanted one. Yeah.
The Focus purposely for YouTube.
Yeah.
So we're going to see which one has made the most amount of money for the least amount of cost.
You know it'd be my darling RS4, don't you?
If you want a bit of an insight on how much money we've made off YouTube, because we have made well, we've not made any money. We've had some ad revenue. I wouldn't say we've
definitely
made
not.
a profit. If you want to
This is still
see how
costing us
much
a
we've
few
actually
quid.
made, then
Yeah.
watch the video tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.